I have this Espresso Workforce WF4740 and one of the pins are been broken, as you can see right there, the middle one right here, the one broken, and you can take it out the whole connector. This one can come out, but for that I'm gonna use the one of these pliers and I can show you how to remove those clip connectors. So as you can see, there is a space right on here, so be careful and just put it in like I just did it here, and you pull up and it should come out like this. As you can see, this will come out. So there is a chip on the back and there is a clips on the back too, which basically goes in and connects to it. So you just have to replace this part instead of the whole thing, because one of these connectors are broken. So I'm gonna replace the new one and that should be good to go.